UTech.
Open PowerPoint and go to a presentation file. Go to Insert tab, and click on Screen Recording. If the record pointer and audio boxes are gray, the microphone and mouse cursor will be active during the recording. Now, select the area you want to record and press record. If you go with the cursor at the top of the screen, the toolbar will come down. You can pin or unpin the toolbar from the top screen. Also, pause or end the video. If you don't want the toolbar to pop up after you start recording, you can just end the video using Windows key plus Shift plus Q. On the top side of the screen, you will have few tools to customize the video. The corrections tool will adjust the video brightness and contrast. From the color tool, you can modify the video color. The poster frame tool will add a display image for the video before starting. From the Reset Design tool, you can reset the video back to normal. In order to reset the display image, you need to go back to Post Frame and press Reset. In the middle, you have a few video styles. You can also apply different shapes to the video. Change the video border size, type, and color. Or you can add a video effect. You can also crop the video. If you want to export the video, you can right-click on it and press Save Media As. The customizations you make in PowerPoint won't apply to the exported video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.